What up, guys? Today we're going to review Readdy AI website builder. Now, Readdy is an AI tool that can help you get your website ready in little to no time. And I'm just going to go right into it. I'm not going to waste you guys' time. And so I have a link to it in the description below and just follow me along, okay? Once you log in, you're going to get this. It says, what do you want to build? So right now I want to launch an online store. It depends on what you want to launch. Maybe you want to build a SaaS software, launch a business website, draft the design. I just want to launch an online store. I'm just going to click on that. Click on next. What kind of projects are you building for? I say my own business. It could be any other thing. So submit. Now you're going to give you a project name. You can choose whether you want it to only be a mobile project or a web or mobile project. Due to the fact that a lot of people tend to use both a computer and a phone, I'm just going to go with web or mobile. So I'm just going to call it my candles because it's going to be a candle store. Okay, so I want to make a website where nice smelling candles. So you give it whatever prompt you want. That's not a spell website where I sell nice smelling candles. And I'm just going to click on go right here. I can see right here, it's building it out. All right. Now, so it's pretty much built it out and it's telling me everything that it's added to it. So just give me a minute. So let's just see. You're going to see it on the left hand side right now. So these are the questions they're asking me. It says next step, you want to connect it to Shopify, link your actual products there and everything and all that. So let me just keep this right here. You can set up payments with Stripe. For those of you that don't know what Stripe is a payment system that you can connect to your website so you can get payments from there. You can customize a calendar setup. You can add more pages, create shop collections and about that. So this is what it looks like. See how pretty it is? See how nice it is right here? This is the candle shop. Let me just go to shop real quick so you guys can see more. It's not yet been generated, so I can create shop. I'll just say create shop page. So right now it's creating it. Okay. So now the shop is ready and it's starting to render it over here. Then you'll be able to see it real fast. So this is it right here. And then I'm going to click on shop. And you can see, you can keep adding more and more details. It says show full products info when clicking a candle. Link your Shopify store to manage inventory. Let customers check out and purchase. Different things that you can see right here. These are the shops and all that. I'm going to show you guys something else that it has. Obviously, I can keep adding more and more. But I'm just going to show you guys something else that it has. I'm going to say add an interactive chatbot that interacts with visitors. Add it. Okay. So it already has it right here. Talk with us. So it already has it right here. Let me type a message. Hello. Let me see if it interacts. See, nice. Hi, this is Luminous Candles. I'm your scheduling assistant. It's now a good time. That's pretty cool. So you can always keep adding more and more things like, product details and connect it to a Shopify store. You guys get the point. It's a pretty good AI tool and it can pretty much do almost anything you want. I think you guys can keep on going from there to build out your website fully and you can always integrate it. You can see it over here. Now, I'm just going to go over to the pricing so you guys can see whether or not it is worth it. Okay, so this is the pricing page right here. So you can see right now I'm on a free monthly plan. As you keep generating, obviously, it eats up your credits. You get 250 credits per month. But this is what it is per month if you're going to pay for it. So it's $25 per month. You get 2,500 credits per month, 10 projects, export to Figma and download code, publish with a custom domain, and you can have a leads capture that gets, via the Readdy agent with 20 minutes of voice chat and over 200 chats per month and 50 form submissions per month. Now, if you go with the $40 per month one, you get over 6,000 credits per month. You can always increase it. And you get unlimited projects. You get over 800 chats per month and over 10,000 form submissions per month. If you're a website designer, website developer, you obviously go with this one. If you're just a business owner starting now, you can go up with this one. The tool is great. I love the tool. I don't know about you guys. I'm pretty sure you probably like the tool if you keep trying it out. But, that's that for today. I appreciate you guys for watching this video and I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Thank you.